Hi, we're here today at Urban Cafe here in Tech Tower ground floor, and we're still waiting for our order. We ordered 2 grilled liempos, and we also had for takeout 4 empanadas. So this is their empanada. It's actually very big. It's 25 pesos. And I'm just gonna make a comment later on how it is. Or I can try it right now. So you just saw puno kayo ang ilang empanada. And it's really worth the 25 pesos. Nami siya merienda, guys. Trailer kay ko dili we're going sa mga order, guys. Oh, daw. Nami kay tugso siya. Great ambience. Order here. Lamig na tanaw yung mukha na. Okay. Pila ka nila?
89.
So for 89 pesos, you have 1 long cut of liempo, grilled liempo, and their sauce is in a shot glass. Atong kilawan. So daghan ka ilang rice actually. This is actually my second time here, and lamig kailang timpla, so lamig ka siya balik-balikan. So what I did last time, tag 10 pesos daw lang extra rice. Bon appetit! Okay lang rice. 10 pesos lang extra rice. Ang dami ng mga dahon. So, na yung mga sibuyas dahon o mga garlic. Mga fried garlic. Garlic flakes, that's the term. Garlic flakes. So for 89 pesos guys, chill na kay ambience. And it's in the heart of Cebu City, Kinasayala. Cebu Business Park. And so if gatinihik mo, ganan mo mag-date-date, ari lang mo sa Urban Cafe. Ground floor sa Tech Tower. Blah, 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 blah. Picture ta. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and put comments if you want to suggest restaurants that we should try. And also, please do subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much, lovies. Have a great day.